got him.
Yeah. Alright, let me get both hands on it. Yeah. Get him up.
Hey, there you go. Hold on.
Don't let go, don't let go, don't let go, don't let go.
Yes.
That is the greatest thing I've seen yet. Oh my gosh, that was so awesome.
Yeah.
I would have bear hugged the hell out of him.
Alright, baby.
You don't normally, when they squirm away like that, you normally lose them.
A real good job keeping up with him.
Like holding my fat dog, man.
That's awesome.